What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Piggy from Poppy Playtime. For today's lesson I'll be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker. I got some plain white paper and some markers to color with. Let's start in the center of the page with a large curve going across the top of the mouth. Let's start on the left side and bend this down in the middle and then bend that back up towards the right. Now on the ends we're going to add a bracket. We're going to go out and then down. And we'll go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to curve this down, go across, and then up on the right side. Let's place the nose on top of the mouth. So over on the left, we're going to draw a half circle, going up toward the top, come around, and then down. Let's add two small curves on the inside of the nostrils. Now along the bottom of the mouth, let's add in the tongue. Let's start on the left side, we're going to go up. I'm going to bend that down to create a fold, step back, curve up, and then down on the right. Let's tuck the eyes in behind the nose, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, round up the eye, come down, and then in towards the side like an oval. Step over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height, come down, and then bend that in. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, let's draw an oval, going up, come down and in towards the nose, and do it again on the right side. Now from the corners of the mouth, we want to step up and draw the cheeks going down towards the bottom of the head. So on the left, we'll step up, curve this around, come down and in towards the middle, go across, pull this up, and then bend that in towards the side. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to step out, curve this up over the eye, and then bend that down in the middle. Let's round up the center, curve this up above the right eye, come out, and then down. Now I want to place the ears on top of the head. Let's start on the left side, bend this up, go out, and then back up. Let's go on top of the right eye and do the same thing, going out in the opposite direction. Now I want to round up the tip of the ear, come all the way around the side, and then in on top of the cheeks. Let's add that fold inside the ear, starting from the left side of the head, then it's out and then up. Round up that fold, and come back in towards the head. Let's line this up on the right, going out, around, and then in. Now I want to place the eyebrows on top of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, cross in towards the ear and down. Let's move over towards the right, going up and then down. Now I want to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes and the mouth. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the apple in the center of the body. We're going to start right in the middle underneath the chin, start with a point. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up toward the top, come around the side, and then up in the middle. Let's go back up to the top, go around the right side, and down and up in the center. Let's add that stem. From the middle, go up and out towards the right, round this out, and come back in. Now from the top of the apple, draw two straight angle lines going up and out underneath the head. Now underneath the head on the left side, we're going to draw the arm coming around the apple and then in, round up the bottom of the arm, and then pull that back up. Let's pull the arm going all the way around and then up underneath the head. Now along the bottom, let's add a curve, going up and then in. Let's go over towards the right side and curve the body, going out, come down, round up the body, and go up underneath the arm. Now along the bottom, we're going to draw the bottom edge of the legs. Let's start on the left. Coming down and out, line that up on the right. Let's go back to the side. We're going to round up the side of the leg, pull that up towards the top, round this out, and pull that down towards the side. Let's add that seam across the inside. So on the left, it's going to go up underneath the arm, go to the right, go all the way around and up towards the top. Let's add a fold along the bottom of the foot, starting from the top, then it's in, and then back out. Now on top of the right leg, let's add another apple. We're going to start right in the middle. Start by curving the left side, going up, come down towards the leg, just pull that back up in the middle, go to the top, draw in the right side. Let's add that stem, going up towards the right, and then back down. Now let's add the leaf, going out and back in. Now on the top left side of the apple, let's add that bite mark. We're going to add these curves going all the way around, back up on the inside. Now we want to tuck the arm in behind the apple. Let's start underneath the head, then it's out in behind the apple, come down towards the bottom, come down, and then out. Now I want to add a spiral tail over on the left side. Let's start on top of the leg, we're going to go up, come around, and just tuck that up underneath. Let's go back to the inside. We're just going to trace this along the outside, going out, in behind the leg, and then back up underneath. Now I want to continue this curl along the top, then it's up and then down, and we'll trace that back in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Piggy from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on the art supplies I used, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.